Imagine standing on a cobblestone street, the early morning mist swirling around your feet, the air crisp and filled with the promise of discovery. The gentle sound of footsteps echoes off centuries-old stones, and you can almost feel the stories that linger in the air. To your left, a medieval castle stands tall, its ancient walls glowing softly in the dusk. To your right, the warm lights of a traditional British pub spill onto the street, inviting you in for laughter and conversation. This is the United Kingdom, a land where the mysterious stones of ancient circles like Stonehenge stand in silent conversation with the glass towers of modern cities. Here, the past and present are woven together in a vibrant tapestry. History isn't just something you read about in museums, it's alive in the laughter of friends sharing a meal, in the aroma of classic British dishes, and in the stories exchanged by locals on bustling streets lined with centuries-old buildings. From the regal splendor of Buckingham Palace in London to the wild, untamed beauty of the Scottish Highlands, every corner of the UK has a tale to tell. Each landscape, whether urban or rural, is steeped in legend and tradition. The UK is more than just its famous landmarks. It's a living, breathing storybook filled with kings and queens, poets and playwrights, inventors and dreamers. Every statue and every street corner has a story waiting to be uncovered. You'll taste the echoes of history in a flaky Cornish pasty, a recipe passed down through generations, each bite connecting you to the people and places that shape this land. You'll hear the rich diversity of the UK in its ever-changing accents, from the lyrical tones of Wales to the rolling brogue of Scotland and the friendly banter of a London market. And you'll see history come alive in every village green, every bustling city street, and every quiet corner where the past meets the present. Each place you visit is a unique gem, sparkling with its own character and charm, waiting for you to discover its secrets and stories. This guide is your key to unlocking those treasures, helping you find the hidden corners and local favorites that make every journey unforgettable. We'll show you how to travel like a true local, navigating the intricate train networks, ordering the perfect pint at a cozy pub, and wandering down secret alleys that lead to unexpected adventures. Picture yourself wandering a quiet path in the Lake District, the morning light shimmering on the water, surrounded by rolling hills and peaceful silence. Or imagine stumbling upon a lively street market in Belfast, where the energy of the crowd and the colors of local produce create a feast for the senses. This journey isn't just about snapping photos for your album, it's about forging real connections, sharing laughter, and making memories that will last a lifetime. Whether you're drawn to the world-class museums of London, the rugged beauty of the Welsh coastline, or the mystical legends of Scottish castles, your adventure begins right here. We'll guide you through every step, budgeting, packing, understanding local customs, and making the most of every moment. So get ready to dive in, embrace the unexpected, and create an unforgettable UK adventure that's uniquely yours. The United Kingdom is calling you to explore its wonders. Let's get started. Your great British adventure truly awaits. 2025 is the perfect time to visit the UK. The country is buzzing. Festivals, theaters, and museums are back in full swing. You're not just a tourist, you're part of a nationwide celebration. Travel is smoother now, fewer crowds, better deals, and a vibrant tourism sector. The UK's push for sustainable tourism means more eco-friendly stays and easy public transport. National parks and local businesses are thriving, making responsible travel rewarding. The 2025 calendar is packed with unique events, from folk festivals to royal celebrations. Plan around these for a deeper, more authentic experience. Now's your chance to be part of it. The UK is 4 nations, each with its own flavor. England is the energetic big brother, London's buzz, Cotswold villages, and Cornwall's coast. Scotland is wild and dramatic, with Highland mountains, mysterious lochs, and cities like Edinburgh and Glasgow. Wales is a land of castles, song, and stunning landscapes from Snowdonia to Pembrokeshire. Cardiff offers a modern, friendly vibe. Northern Ireland is small but mighty, Belfast's rebirth, the Titanic Museum, and the epic Antrim coast. Each country offers a unique mix of history, scenery, and culture. Whether you want adventure, art, or legend, you'll find it here. Choose one, or mix and match. There's no wrong answer. Every region is a new story. Where will you begin? Let's get practical. Most visitors don't need a visa for short trips, but check gov.uk for the latest rules. From 2025, many travelers will need an electronic travel authorization. Apply online before you go. Once in the UK, trains connect major cities and scenic routes. Book ahead for the best prices. Consider a BritRail pass for flexibility. Buses like National Express and Megabus are budget-friendly and reach smaller towns. Renting a car gives you freedom in rural areas, but remember, drive on the left. Use trains for city-to-city travel, then rent a car for countryside adventures. Parking in cities is tough. Plan accordingly. Mix and match transport for the best experience. Getting around is part of the adventure. The UK can be pricey, but smart planning stretches your budget. Hostels and B&Bs offer great value and a chance to meet locals. Self-catering apartments or cottages let you save by cooking your own meals. Supermarkets have excellent, affordable options for picnics or quick bites. Book accommodation and trains early for the best deals. Many top museums and galleries are free. Take advantage. Eat your main meal at lunchtime for better prices. Use a no-fee credit card and watch ATM charges. Every small saving adds up. Choose what fits your style, budget, mid-range, or luxury. The UK has options for every traveler. The UK's icons are must-sees, but the real magic is off the beaten path. Stay in a castle, walk a national trail, or plan a themed trip. Literature, music, or gardens. Explore neighborhoods like Richmond in London or the islands of the Inner Hebrides. Discover hidden gems like Port Merion in Wales. Ask locals for tips. They know the best spots. Time your visit with a local festival for a true taste of British culture. From cheese rolling to the Edinburgh Fringe, these events are unforgettable. Dive deeper for authentic experiences. Your best memories will be the unexpected ones. To truly know Britain, you have to experience its food and drink. These are the flavors that tell the story of the nation. From bustling cities to quiet countryside villages, the pub is the heart of the community. Step inside, order at the bar, and let the warm, welcoming atmosphere wash over you. It's where locals gather to share stories, laughter, and the latest news. Don't be shy. Try the local beers on tap. Bartenders are always happy to recommend a favorite, whether it's a classic bitter, a hoppy IPA, or a smooth stout brewed just down the road. British food is now a culinary adventure. Don't miss a hearty Sunday roast with all the trimmings, crispy fish and chips by the seaside, or a savory pie packed with rich, comforting flavors. Each region has its own specialty. Try a Cornish pasty in Cornwall, sample Scottish haggis in Edinburgh, savor Welsh rarebit in Cardiff, or start your day with a hearty Ulster fry in Belfast. For a taste of local life, visit a farmer's market. Here you'll find fresh produce, homemade treats, and friendly faces eager to share their stories and favorite recipes. The UK's drink scene is wonderfully diverse. There's something for every palate, from traditional ales to modern craft brews, and everything in between. Sip a pint of real ale, savor a dram of smoky Scotch whiskey, toast with a glass of English sparkling wine, or enjoy the crisp tang of West Country cider. And, of course, afternoon tea is a must. Delicate scones, sweet cakes, and a pot of strong tea served with elegance and tradition. There's history and comfort in every bite, whether you're spreading clotted cream and jam on a scone or savoring a homemade cake. Eating and drinking locally connects you to the culture, the people, and the stories that make each place unique. Be adventurous, try something new in every region, and you'll discover flavors and traditions you never expected. Food is a window into Britain's soul, revealing its history, creativity, and sense of community. So take your time, savor every bite and sip, and let the flavors tell their story. The best stories start in a pub, surrounded by good food, great drinks, and even better company. Cheers to your British adventure. The UK is safe, but stay alert in busy places. Travel insurance is a must. Cover health, theft, and cancellations. The emergency number is 9999. Know it, just in case. British etiquette. Be polite, say please and thank you, and always respect the queue. Tipping is modest. 10% in restaurants, rounding up in taxis. Free Wi-Fi is everywhere, but a UK SIM card is handy for maps and apps. Providers like EE and Vodafone offer affordable data plans. Download Citymapper for city transport, Trainline for trains, and a weather app for daily updates. Stay connected and informed for a smoother trip. A little preparation goes a long way. Ready to turn your UK travel dreams into reality? Whether you're a seasoned explorer or planning your very first adventure, the UK is calling, and it's packed with unforgettable moments just waiting for you. Pack smart, plan boldly, and get set for days filled with discovery. Rain or shine, city or countryside, every step is a new story. Don't forget those essentials: your UK plug adapter, comfy shoes, and a sense of adventure. The best journeys are the ones where you're ready for anything. And remember, the magic happens when you leave space for the unexpected. Let curiosity lead you, and you'll find hidden gems around every corner. Dive into vibrant cities, savor local flavors, and connect with fellow travelers and locals alike. Every moment is a chance to create memories that last a lifetime. Whether you're hopping between iconic cities or wandering through rolling hills, your adventure is uniquely yours. Soak up the scenery, embrace the weather, and let every twist in the road inspire your next move. The UK is more than a destination, it's an experience, and it's yours to shape. Now, we want to hear from you. What's your dream UK adventure? Drop your travel goals, questions, or favorite destinations in the comments below. We love connecting with fellow explorers. If you're hungry for more travel inspiration, practical tips, and immersive destination experiences, hit that like button, subscribe, and join our community of passionate travelers. Your journey doesn't end here. Let's keep exploring together, share your stories, ask your questions, and let's inspire each other to see more of this incredible world. The adventure is just beginning. Thanks for watching, and cheers to your next unforgettable trip. Like, comment, and subscribe, and let's make every journey extraordinary together.